Gene here. So about a week ago, we bought 14 acres in northern Vermont of fully wooded land with a little clearing for our house. And we actually haven't explored more than about 5% of it. So today I am going out and trying to see what I can see. We know there's a big elevation change from the part the house is on down. It's a little over 14 acres and it's thick. So let's see what we find.
Before today's explorations, this topo map is basically what we knew of the property. The bottom is the highest elevation where the house is, and then it slopes and drops and terraces and drops more all the way towards the top of the map. Our cabin sits about 10 or 15 feet above this little pasture, which is really where the forest line starts. It's a little bit bigger than it looks, but that's where things start going downhill, literally. After that, I went down a little hill and found this sort of flat area, which is really great because we were hoping to have a place where we could grow some crops or maybe have some forested pork in the future.
I found this clearing about a quarter of the way down the property, and it seems to have either drainage or a wildlife path running through it and out the other side. So I'm not sure what comes through here, but very interesting.
In the distance, you can see our neighbor's maple lines. It pulls the sap out of the trees and pushes a little air pressure in to help with it. If you see these, which are pretty common around Vermont, don't mess with them because obviously that's someone's livelihood, but a little slice of life.
I've found that about halfway through our property, there is a massive drop off of, gosh, probably 100 foot at least, straight down. At the very bottom of this drop off, I see something that looks like water. I'm not sure if there's a little bog down there or a stream, but it would make sense if the water was weeping out of here. I'm gonna have to get down there eventually and see what that is. I found a path that I think could actually get me down to whatever's down there, but I'm gonna wait until I'm not alone and I have some rope, because there's definitely water down there.